Talking about UPSC, it is a very unpredictable journey. If I got lucky, I'm here. I think, but I think the worst part about this exam is 90% of us will never go through it, because the thing is that it has a very limited number of seats. You know, the pattern or the examination is also getting much dicey year by year. So एक plan B का ऑप्शन इफ आई से अबाउट इट हैज़ टू बी देयर मैंने रखा, क्योंकि मेरा वो एक दैट मेंटल रिलैक्सेशन दैट यू हैव समथिंग टू फॉल बैक अपॉन, एक ऐसा फाइनेंशियल एक आपका जो इंडिपेंडेंस है वो एक एश्योर्ड अगर रहे, तो आई थिंक देन यू आर मच मोर एट पीस एंड आई थिंक यू विल अप्रोच थिंग्स विद अ मोर काम माइंड. व्हेन यू थिंक दैट यू हैव ओनली टू लूज एंड नथिंग टू विन, तब उस वक्त द थिंग्स बिकम मच मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, द थिंग्स बिकम मच मोर डाइसी फॉर यू. बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर गिविंग माई 2023 अटेम्प्ट व्हेन आई थॉट कि भी कुछ भी नहीं होगा, आइदर आई गेट इनटू दिस or I won't be anywhere. But it was not like that. I did get into, you know, an institute where I was working as a mentor. तो कोई भी plan भी हो सकता है. It can be getting back to your original field. अगर आप engineering या medical background से हैं, you can get back there. If you are here into the UPSC from long period of time and you have appeared for some means an interview, you can come into this guiding the students or the aspirants, because various coaching institutes are providing that platform that can also help you financially as well. So there has to be some or the other, you know, option to fall back upon. That is not to just make you lenient towards UPSC, but that is to provide some mental resilience and strength that okay, if not this, I can try until UPSC allows me the attempt, until UPSC has provided the age limit, but if not this, I'll have some other option to work about. There can also be certain other services, for example the state PCS that is there, you can go for that. You can also go for certain other examination like SSC is there, banking is there, because they have some similar, you know, pattern, because GK or GS is a part of that, CSAT like quant reasoning is a part of that, English reading comprehension is there. So more or less the same pattern is followed by most of the government examination. You can keep them as a plan B while focusing on UPSC as your plan A. Okay.